Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Sussex is a town in southern New Brunswick with a population of about 4,300 people, while the surrounding region is home to many more. It sits in the rolling hills of Kings County, roughly halfway between St. John and Moncton, making it a convenient stop for travelers and an important service center for nearby rural communities. The town is known for its small-town atmosphere, colorful murals, and its connection to farming, especially dairy production. The area was first used by the Wolastoqey people, who traveled through the region for generations before European settlement. Loyalists arrived in the surrounding area after the American Revolution, and more settlers followed in the early 1800s. Sussex grew steadily because of its location along important transportation routes and because the surrounding farmland proved to be well suited for agriculture. The town was officially incorporated in 1901 and has continued to serve as a commercial center for Kings County ever since. Agriculture remains one of the biggest parts of the local economy. Dairy farming is especially important, and the rich farmland around Sussex supports cattle, poultry, vegetables, and other crops. The town has long been known as the Dairy Town of New Brunswick, a nickname that reflects the importance of milk production and the many family farms that have operated here for generations. Food processing, agricultural services, trucking, construction, retail businesses, healthcare, education, and tourism also provide employment for local residents. One of Sussex's best-known attractions is the annual Atlantic Balloon Fiesta, which began in the mid-1980s. Every summer, colorful hot air balloons fill the skies above the town, attracting thousands of visitors from across Atlantic Canada and beyond. The event includes family activities, live entertainment, local food, and evening balloon glows, making it one of the largest festivals in the province. Another feature that gives Sussex its unique character is its collection of over 24 large outdoor murals. These paintings celebrate the town's history, agriculture, military service, local businesses, and community life. Walking through the downtown area offers a chance to see scenes from Sussex's past while learning about the people and industries that helped shape the community over the years. Sussex is also close to several natural attractions, including the Sussex Bluffs and the scenic Kennebecasis River Valley. The surrounding landscape is shaped by fertile valleys and low mountains, creating some of the most productive farmland in New Brunswick. The local housing market remains more affordable than many larger Canadian cities. In recent years, the average price of a detached home has generally ranged between $300,000 and $350,000, although prices vary depending on neighborhood, property size, and market conditions. This relative affordability, combined with access to services and outdoor recreation, has attracted retirees, families, and people looking for a slower pace of life. Today, Sussex continues to balance its agricultural heritage with modern growth. Its central location, strong farming traditions, welcoming downtown, and well-known festivals have helped it remain an important community within southern New Brunswick.
Thanks for watching!